What's up, guys, and welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. Now, listen, guys, we are in an amazing opportunity right now. Bitcoin is crashing, ICP is crashing, the whole market is experiencing a dip. So we need to go and find out what the hell our plan is for this dip. Now, before we do get into that, guys, make sure all of you have paused the video. If you're new to the family, I appreciate everybody who watches the video. Come and join the family. Drop me a sub. Let's get into the video. Alright, guys, now I did this for the Jasmine video. However, I don't know how many of you guys watch the Jasmine videos. If you're just ICP only, doesn't really matter. But basically, guys, if you don't take action in these times of red, in this, then you don't deserve this, okay? You don't deserve it because you're not taking action, and you won't be able to experience this, guys. The money is made in the dips, the money is made in the bear market, the money is made in the accumulation phases of the market as well. We are currently in an accumulation phase for altcoins, okay? If you want to be getting 5, 10, 20x returns on your altcoins, you have to be buying in days like today. And yes, we bought at $15, we bought at 13, we bought at 12. We also bought at 3, 4, and 5, okay? We've been buying the whole way, and I said I'm not buying ICP over $15 because I want to get a minimum 10x. And the target is 150 minimum for us on this channel. Right, listen, shout out DYOR, okay? DYOR, listen, I hope I'm saying that right. Is it DYOR? Is he smoking DYOR, or is his name DYOR? That's pretty fucked if his name is. Okay, let's just stop. Listen, this time in 2 months, people will be panic buying. And you can see here, DYOR said, laugh my ass off, we are the people. As much as my bags are packed, it's something about human psychology to follow the price up, never down. And I said, listen, it gets to a point where it is harder to buy on green days than red days. Once you've been in the market for long enough, once you've done a few cycles over. And if anything, I F myself by not buying more on green days too, because I wait for the red days so much. So that's me being greedy for the red days and waiting for more red days. However, a lot of you guys, you're not greedy enough on the red days, okay? And also, listen, shout out Crypto King as well. Crypto King's doing his bit for the ICP community, so go and follow Crypto King as well. Always giving us some lovely alpha. But listen, guys, I mean, we need to be buying more on days like this, because I don't want any of you guys to be panic buying in the future, okay? So again, before we do continue, make sure all of you guys have gone and followed my X. I think we just passed 1k X followers. Yes, we did. Congrats to me. 1k, 1.004k. I'll probably be doing some giveaways on my Twitter as well, so go and follow that. And again, at 10k subs on this channel, I'll be doing like a 10k giveaway. So that's just a little plug for me. Back to ICP. Look, guys, Bitcoin and ETH have been super volatile. People are trying to long it now. They are gonna get stopped out, okay? Market makers will probably stop them out, have a little bear trap, and then we go back up again. Forget about leverage for a second and think about where you want to be at the end of the bull run. Have you got enough ICP? Because a lot of people are starting to buy ICP now. Now, shout out Jerry. I actually watched one of his videos again earlier from like 4 or 5 months ago, and the number of dresses with 10 or less ICP was at like 60k, and that had risen like 20k from a couple of months before, right? So over the past, let's say 6 months, we've gone from like 40k to 80k holders of ICP with 10 or less ICP, guys, okay? 10 or less. We're nearly at 100k holders, which is amazing. You want to be seeing this natural growth. And now, again, something I did show in the Jasmine video, but again, blah, 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 blah. Listen, guys, look at the different stages of the market that we have. Pre-halving danger zone, last pre-halving retrace, post-halving danger zone, post-halving reaccumulation, post-halving parabolic upside. Right, where are we now, guys? We've dealt with the pre-halving danger zone. And what have I said to you guys about 155 million times on this channel? Pre and post-halving volatility will occur. We're experiencing that right now, guys. Look, we're in the middle of the last pre-halving retrace, similar to what we had in May of 2020. After that, we've got a post-halving danger zone, which we are still technically in right now, okay? We're still in it. Now what we have to endure is a post-halving reaccumulation. So, like I said, it normally takes a few months for us to start to print new highs for our altcoins after the halving. Everybody expects us to just go up and the halving to be a massive news event that it's going to pump up the price. It never happens like that, guys, okay? We should know that by now. We've said this many, many times. However, this is the time where really the last like 10x gains, maybe 20x in some coins are going to be made, guys. I mean, we've been buying from all the way down here. So 50x's, they're long gone. 50x for ICP, you're not going to get it anymore, guys. But you can still get like a 10, 15x at a push if you do buy at these lower prices. And if ICP is at $10, flipping less than $10, guys, you need to be making investments. You need to be making your own decisions. You need to actually say, right, this is probably a blessing. If I bought at $15, why would I not buy at a major discount? What is that, like a 35% discount? Whatever it is, I don't know. You guys can do the maths. But we need to be having a seat before this post-halving parabolic run. Do not be buying into these pumps, guys. Do not be asking me if you should buy ICP at $30, because I'm going to say no. And look, everybody was waiting for this breakout for Bitcoin, guys, and we may have to come down one little leg lower before we do have a breakout. And we also need a change of character at around 67k before we can say things are officially bullish, okay? We need to have a change of character, because for now, we can break out, we can retest, maybe we hold it for a little bit, but if we don't print that and break that new high and flip it into support, guys, we're just probably going to come back down into this channel when it'll be a bull trap, and, you know, everybody gets a little bit more shaken out from the market than what they are right now. But I mean, Bitcoin decision time is coming very, very, very soon. It looks like by June. Let me just move myself out of the way. Look at that. It's probably in line with June that we really do peak at the apex. So you guys need to be having your bags packed, need to be having your decisions made by June, in my opinion. And now, before we continue the video, guys, just a quick word from Cali Chain. Cali Chain innovating the blockchain with NFTs and tokenization for secure product certification, combating fraud in luxury goods. Guys, I've spoke about this before. Imagine you can tokenize your Rolex, okay? You don't need papers anymore. Imagine you can tokenize your home. Imagine you could tokenize a car. Cali Chain, they are trying to solve this problem, guys. And you can look here, revolutionize authentication with Cali Chain. Discover our cutting-edge technology that combines the power of NFC and NFTs to create an unrivaled authentication system. Guys, I don't know how many of you use StockX, but listen, there was a big scandal. They were saying things were real. They were not real. They were not being authenticated the right way. Let's start to use blockchain for everything. Let's start to authenticate clothing, as well as luxury goods, as well as homes, as well as investments, okay? Everything is going to be tokenized, and Cali Chain looks like it is going to be one of the industry leaders for tokenization of real world products, guys. It's currently available on MEXC, and I actually gave this to you not long ago. I made a whole dedicated video on Cali Chain. I said I've got 2 buy levels that I will be accumulating at: 8 cents, 5 cents. We didn't get the 5 cents just yet. Luckily, we got the 8 cents, guys. And are we about to break out? It looks like we're about to have a massive breakout, guys. So as long as we can hold this, okay, maybe we come back down to 8, right? But as long as we can hold this, it looks like it is time for a breakout for Cali Chain. It is a super low market cap at the moment, guys. So the potential returns are very high with this one. Go and take your time to check out Cali Chain. One of the things that I did share with the members club quite a while ago, guys, probably about a couple of weeks ago, I said we have this fair value gap that we need to fill, and we're going to start topping up our crypto once we do enter and dip our toes into this fair value gap, guys. And look where we are now. We're dipping our toes into the fair value gap. So when you plan things ahead, it makes it so much easier to just take action. It makes it easier to wait as well, guys, because I could have easily been going ham saying I'm going to put fucking everything in here. But instead, I've saved some money to the side, and I can start accumulating a little bit more now that we are in the fair value gap, guys, okay? If things do break down, it doesn't matter, because we've still got our all-in level for ICP that we'll have our buy levels set for. But right now, we're starting to dip our toes into the fair value gap. That was a pretty big red candle that we just experienced in that last 1 hour. I know this is a 4 hour, but it literally just happened. Now, ICP, blessing zone, we're coming to the bottom. We're at $11.91 right now, guys. Check that out. All-in level at $8.59. And look, RSI's in the floor, guys. Okay, what happened last time our RSI was in the floor? We had a retrace. Even though it was a relief rally, we had one. Time before that, RSI was in the floor. Here, boom, had a massive move up. RSI in the floor, retrace up, relief rally. Okay, so even if it's just a relief rally, guys, you need to be making sure that you're buying now rather than buying into the relief rally. Because yeah, we could come back into buy zone 2, hit our head, and then come back down. Could happen. However, if you do start to buy at these lower prices and this lower channel of accumulation, I mean, look at this, guys. I remember when we first came into this. When we first came into this, I was like, yep, we're not breaking $15 yet, but we accumulate in here. And it is giving us another opportunity, guys. So we are so lucky for ICP. The crypto gods are blessing us right now, okay? And take this as a blessing, because these prices will not be here in the future, all right? Make up your mind. Boom, that's it, guys. Let me know what you're feeling about ICP right now. It's quite annoying that the price is down, or is it? Is it an absolute gift? You guys can let me know what you think in the comments. And again, if you got this far, make sure to pause the video, go and drop me a like. Let me know how you're feeling about ICP. Go and drop me a sub. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.